Welcome to the new HTC Desire. Super fast, super vivid. It's one of the most advanced smartphones yet. The first thing you'll notice is the screen. It's an AMOLED display, so the colors are crisp and rich. And it's 3.7 inches wide. We've added a speedy 1 GHz Snapdragon processor, so web pages open instantly and movies load quicker. We've designed the buttons so you can get around quickly too. Whether it's to your menus or back to your home screen, all the main functions are in easy reach. Even the optical trackball has been ergonomically designed so it's easy to navigate around the screen. All this is packaged into a smooth, crafted casing, one that feels as good as it looks. With HTC, it doesn't take hours to customize your phone. In fact, making your phone your own has never been easier. For example, you're able to arrange things the way you want them. You can decide where widgets and applications go and how big they are. And with up to 7 home screen panels, there's more than enough space for everything. One thing you might want within easy reach is our new news application. It brings together all your favorite sports and news articles from across the web and compiles them in one place. All you do is add the news application and customize it to do the things you want, whether it's hard-nosed business analysis or something a bit less heavy. With the HTC Desire, there are also lots of ways to keep in touch. For example, with our new People widget, you can create multiple groups in multiple circles. So now there's a place for your Friday night party friends and a place for your Saturday morning coffee ones. You can even place it in easy reach on the home page, and then choose the best way to say hello, whether it's by SMS, email, or just a simple call. FriendStream is another great way to keep in touch. It brings together all your friends' Twitter, Facebook, and Flickr updates all in one place. It means you can keep up to speed with what's happening, check updates, post photos, and share links. What's great about FriendStream is that you can also update all your online accounts easily in one go.